Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to Foetron Academy. My name is Harshwards, and today I will help you in understanding the dataset menu in Power BI service. Power BI service is an essential service which is used in Power BI platform for assessing, collaborating, sharing, and publishing your data. Now let's go further and talk about the point to be discussed in this video. In this video, we will particularly talk about firstly, how does the dataset interface work in Power BI service? And secondly, we move on to and talk about how to create a new visualization in Power BI service. And thirdly, we will tell you how to save new visualization in report view. So this we will all cover in Power BI service, which works on Internet Explorer. That means that is a cloud service you can use for Power BI platform. Now let's go to the Microsoft Edge and into our Power BI service. We are in Power BI service. You can see the landing page of a Power BI service. So there is nothing much to do here. We will move into my workspace. Firstly, in my workspace, you will see a dashboard. So there is nothing you can do in a dashboard. When you click on it, you will see a yellow option. That means in my workspace, you are currently in your dashboard. As there is not much data that I have done or made in a dashboard, so I will move on to, as I have told you in my introduction, to dataset. So I will create or click on the dataset that we have imported from our desktop, or you can say from your own computer. In my previous video, I have told you how to import the data from Power BI desktop to Power BI service. So now we are here. So we have a field section in which we have a data set. You can create any visualization in here if you need. So this is a visualization view as in same that is available in our Power BI desktop, in which you will create a visual. Certainly you will have another view that is a reading view. When you click on it, you won't be able to do any visualization because you are now in your reading view. When you click on your edit report, that means again you are back into your report view. Again you are back into your report view where you can edit your visualization. So the interface is also one of the most important thing in the data set that you should learn. So this is quite a simple interface which we have in here. So we will cover it one by one. So in a data set, the first interface, this is the line that is for the interface. You should remember the first interface we will look into is file section in our tab. So we will click on it. You will see save and save as option as the report. So this you can easily assume that if we create any visualization, you can save them from here. After that, we have an option of view. So you have a certainly a large type of options: fit to the page, fit to the width, actual size, high contrast colors. So you can click on it. You will see the contrast colors, grid lines, snap to grid, lock object, selection pane, bookmark pane, sync slicer pane. All these are available to you. We have already covered about reading view. Even in this you will see an mobile layout option. As in my previous videos of Power BI desktop, I told you about a mobile layout. If you want to create a mobile layout, you will click and you will see the mobile layout option. In here you will create a visualization according to your mobile. So you can drag and drop according to its own need. So we will again go back to our web layout, and we are back in here. If you see, there is option that is ask a question. You can also do that. After the ask a question, you will have an explore option, that is options for navigating through the data set. Like in a hierarchy, in my Power BI desktop videos, I have shown you about hierarchies in which drill down, drill up options are available to us. So this is the thing. In here you will see. So now we have after that a text box. You can create a text box, you can create a shapes, you can create a buttons, you can see a visual interaction, or you can create or edit interaction, which I have briefly discussed and particularly discussed in my Power BI desktop videos. You can go there and see how these things work. After that, we have a refresh option, and after that, duplicate this page and save this report. These are the interfaces that are available to you. Now in the report view, first we will think of what thing. Now we want to create a new visualization in our data set in a Power BI service. How to do that? First of all, you will select a visualization for which you want to create. Click on a visualization, increase the size of it. After that, go into the field section. In a fact population, we will use a population parameter, and then add the data fields here. So again, drag and drop values. We have a population, and we will use a dim region. We will use and drag and drop the region name. Now you will see your data set, or you can say your visualization has been created through your data set. So this is one visualization. Again, I will draw another visualization, stacked bar. For that, we will drag and drop population, and for the age group, we will use a category in the legends. Now you will see your visualization in here, which we have created using these three tables in the field section. Now you have a visualization in your report view. Now I want this visualization in my report view, because this visualization I have created in Power BI service only. I haven't imported anything. So I have just imported the data, but I have created the visualization in Power BI service itself. So how to save it? There are many points through which you can save. You can directly go to the file section and save this report, click and save this report, or directly go into the report and click on report. When you go there, you will see unsaved changes. Would you like to save changes to this report? When you click on save, certainly you want to save it, because I have told you the other option for saving the report. I will go a name report total. After, just click on save. Now you will see it will be in your reports. Now you can see in our report you have two reports. I Firstly, which you have imported, secondly which you have created in Power BI service. So this is how you will save changes in your visualization, which you will create in Power BI service itself. So this visualization I have created in Power BI service. This visualization I have created in Power BI service, and this visualization I have imported from Power BI desktop. So again we get into the data set. Again click on the data set, you will see the data, and now we are again back into our report view. So this is how the whole dataset interface works. You create a visualization and save that visualization for further use. And again, for your clearance, I will show you in reports. You will see two options now. Earlier there was only one option that which we have imported from our computer. Now we have a report total which we have created in Power BI service itself. So with this point, I am going to end this video, and I hope your queries got cleared, and if not, kindly write us in comment section. We will surely get back to you. And if this video helped you in any way, kindly drop us a like, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for amazing videos in future. Till then, have an amazing and good day.